Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, January 2nd, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm used to the first day of January of the new year, really being very strong and giving us some idea of where we're going for the year. The market was quite volatile today, but I think it formed a question mark, and it really doesn't answer the question today as where this market is going to go this year. Anyway, it was an interesting day. We saw this descent the last 3-4 days of 2014. It closed on its low. I told you on Wednesday it certainly looked to me like it was going lower, but given the fact that today, Friday, was the first day of the new year, I am used to seeing some kind of rally on that day. Well, we got the rally right at the beginning of the day. It did take off. Dow got over 100 points up here within the first half hour, and then it completely reversed and really crashed down here, and we were down over 100 points when we got down here, and then it comes back and ends up closing positive, just barely positive, 9 points. So that is a lot of volatility and a lot of big question mark as far as I'm concerned as to what is going to happen today. And in some ways our equity kind of mirrored that. We had negative $4,000 on Wednesday, and I didn't hold out too much hope for that until this morning. We actually, negative $4,000 actually went positive, just barely positive, shortly after the open. But by the time we got out, only 45 minutes into the day, we had negative over $5,000 in closed out trades. That was the bad news. Hey, the good news is we're carrying positive over $5,000 going into tomorrow. So that kind of is it is good. We got 9 new positions on, 6 are positive, only 3 are negative. So at least what we're carrying in to not tomorrow, but to Monday, to the second day of the new trading year, is quite positive, and it does give me a pretty good feeling. We had some good, decent trades today, nothing spectacular, but I'll show you a few things that we did get into. This first one is Mankind Corporation. We haven't seen too much from Mankind Corporation in quite a while, and we got into this about halfway through the day, and it kept moving. It pulled back a little, but we are carrying over $1,000 in Mankind. We have another small but pretty nice looking trade. Let's see here. Where am I? Maybe here, I just didn't open it up. This is in VIPS, VIPS, and I'm having trouble here with my chart. Anyway, we did get into this shortly after the open. It went very nicely at first, and it pulled back, looked like it might be reversing, and then it came back toward the end of the day, and we are holding over $1,000 in VIPS. Then I'll show you the 2 big trades for the day. The first one here is in BITA. Very volatile market. We've had a lot of good trades in BITA, and we got this right out of the gate this morning, and it just kept going. Never looked back. This did not mirror at all that zigzagging around we saw on the Dow. And we're holding over $2,000 in BITA. And last but not least, we have SFUN SoFun Holdings. Big gap in SoFun Holdings this morning, but we buy gaps. We just close our eyes and bite the bullet, and we got in here, and it was a good thing because it never really turned back, and we are holding over $2,000 in open trade equity in SoFun Holdings. So in spite of the fact we basically broke even today, I'm going to call it a good day. Let's just say it was a good omen for the start of the new year, and I am going to be looking forward to more and higher and better profits for the rest of the new year. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back online on Monday.